Good morning, my dear students. I am Farhia Banu. I hope you all are good at your home. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson 3. I ask a little boy who cannot see. Before going through the lesson, I want to show you some ponder is given on your screen. Look at here. The ponder is all about your five senses. I know you all know about your five senses. Now, first one, your nose is used for smell, and eye for see, ear to listen, tongue for taste, and skin for touch. So my dear students, one more thing also given in your page. Let's have a look there.
Have a look here. Why don't you have a try at writing a poem about your senses? Try something like this. I love to feel. You have to write what you love to feel. I love to hear. You have to write what you love to hear. I love to see. I love to taste. I love to smell, but I hate to. You have to write what you love to hear, what you have to love to see, what you love to taste, what you love to smell, and also write what you hate. Okay, my dear students, you can write. One more thing is given there. Did you know? First one is flies have 3000 lenses in each eyes. In each eyes. Next picture. Hawks can see clearly about 8 times as far as humans can. It is a bird. He can see clearly about 9 times as far as human can. They can quickly shift focus and zoom in on their prey. Here one more thing is given. Have you observed food being cooked in the kitchen? Have you observed? If you, then how do you think your 5 senses combine to give you a complete experiences? You can write your experiences on a page. Now we are going to read this poem. I asked the little boy who cannot see. I asked the little boy who cannot see. And what is color like? Why, green, said he. Is like the rustle when the wind blows through the forest, running water that is blue. And red is like a trumpet sound, and pink is like the smell of roses. And I think the purple must be like a thunderstorm, and yellow is like something soft and warm, and white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. There is a little boy in the poem who was asked about the feeling of what is color like. What is color like? My dear student, I would like to inform you that the little boy in this poem is blind. He can't see anything. He is unable to see. Then also the poet asked the little boy, what is color like? Why, green, said he. Why? Green, said he. He said green because he analyzes the green to him is like the rustle. Rustle means the sound made by leaves. The sound made by leaves. When the wind blows through them, he recognizes the green color. The forest, running water, that is blue. That is blue. Next, he uses the analogy that it's like the forest for him. The poet uses analogy that it's like the forest for little boy and describe how the running of water is blue. How the running water is blue. And red is like a trumpet sound and pink. Then he further described the color red to be like trumpet. To be like trumpet. Trumpet means one type of song instrument. And pink. And pink too resembles the smell of roses. Smell of roses. And pink is like the smell of roses. And I think that purple must be like a thunderstorm. Then furthermore, he feels that the purple to him is like a thunderstorm. Like a thunderstorm. And yellow is like something soft and warm. And yellow is like something soft and warm. Further, he feels that purple to him is like a thunderstorm, whereas yellow is warm and soft in nature. Soft in nature. And white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. And he calls white a pleasant stillness as if something is just there. The feeling is nice and as if time stops. If time stops. My dear student, in this poem, the little boy who cannot see, who is unable to see, he shows the way of life and blessed how we truly are. And those of us who have the blessing of sight, and on the other hand, this poem also invokes other sense in the poem. We have sight to be able to compare it. My dear students, I hope you all have understood this poem. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework is question number 1. Learn and write the poem I Ask the Little Boy Who Cannot See. Question 2 is learn and write the meaning of the word rustle. I hope you all will do your homework at your home. Stay at your home. Be safe. Thank you so much. God bless you.